Good manufacturing practice in the pharma industry. So in the short form it is called as GMP. How can we define GMP? Means it is nothing but a set of rules or guidelines which are supposed to be followed in the pharma industry in order to get the good quality products and to maintain the safety of the pharmaceutical products, that is to avoid the contamination and other adulterations. It is very essential. These practices, that is GMP guidelines, covers various aspects in the production, including the facilities. Means what are the different types of facilities should be available in the production area, and regarding equipment, which type of equipment is used, and what is the design of that equipment, and what is the criteria for that selection of the equipment, particular equipment, and what are all the care should be taken regarding personal hygiene, how to cover the body to avoid the contamination of the formulations, and how to maintain the documents, what are the documents which are supposed to require here, and how the documents is maintained. So all these criteria are discussed, are clear. So what is the purpose, or you can say what is the use of GMP principles? So by adhering to the GMP principles, the pharmaceutical companies can maintain high standards of the quality and consistency in their products. Means by following the GMP guidelines, it is very easy, and task is very simple in order to get the desired quality product and to maintain the consistency regarding its quality and efficacy of the products. It is very easy by following. So these guidelines is not only stick on to the in producing the quality products, but it is very essential to protect the health of the consumers and as well as to comply with the regulatory requirements. So in these aspects, the GMP regulations are very helpful. And another very important benefit which we can add about the GMP is by following the GMP, it plays a very important role and a very crucial role in reducing the risks and avoiding the mistakes, and ultimately enhancing the success and reputation of the pharmaceutical sector. GMP is not just a set of rules or regulations. It is beyond that one also. So it is nothing but it is a commitment to excellence in every aspect of pharmaceutical manufacturing, right from the raw materials up to the finished products. The good manufacturing practice guidelines are essential for pharmaceutical industry to ensure the production is safe and quality medicines are produced. These guidelines provide a set of regulations and standards that pharmaceutical companies must adhere in order to maintain the integrity of the products. By following the GMP guidelines, pharmaceutical companies can guarantee the consistency and efficacy of the medications, as well as they meet the requirements by regulatory authorities and safeguard the public health also. Adhering to GMP guidelines also helps in minimizing the risk of contamination, errors, and deviations during the manufacturing process, ultimately leading to the production of high quality pharmaceutical products that are. And the next thing is building and other facilities. So the buildings which are used in the manufacturing of the pharmaceutical dosage forms and other cosmetics or any other healthcare products, it should allow the sufficient space in order to produce and in order to store the drugs and cosmetics and other healthcare products. And this building also allows the sufficient place, you can say the space, in order to install the equipments and in a proper order. And it also allow a proper space for cleaning and maintenance of all the equipments and other utensils which are used in the manufacturing process. And the floors of the building and the walls of the building and the ceilings of that building are constructed in such a way that it should allow a smooth surface in order to which allows a easy cleaning. And another very important aspect is lighting and ventilation are sufficient for the intended operation and comfort for the personnel. Water supply, washing and toilet facilities, floor drainage and sewage system are adequate for sanitary operation. Utensils which are used in the manufacturing process and transfer piping connections and the equipments which are used in the manufacturing process, and the contact surface of the equipment with the drug material and cosmetics should be well maintained and they should be clean, and they are So another important branch of the pharmaceutical industry is quality control department. So quality control in the pharmaceutical industry has a most important to ensure that medications are safe, effective and consistently meet the required standards. So this process involves various rigorous testing, monitoring and inspecting the pharmaceutical products to guarantee their quality and compliance with the regulatory requirements. Means in the quality control department, so it employs various analytical tools or tests to assure that or to predict that quality of the product. And by the help of the quality control department, it is very easy to document the various techniques such as chemical analysis, microbial testing and physical assessments are employed during quality control to assess the factors like potency, purity and stability of the drug. So in the chemical analysis, various chemical tests are carried out, and to check the microbial contamination, microbial testing is done, and to identify and to check the physical characteristics of the medications, physical assessments are done. So all these tests are done to predict the potency, purity and stability of the medications. So in addition to that, quality control also helps in minimizing the deviations and defects. Objectives of quality control. The first one is maintaining the consistency. So by the help of quality control test, it is very easy and helpful in maintaining the consistency of the products regarding the quality wise, and it is very much important to sustain the product in the market to maintain its consistency regarding its quality wise. And the second objective is meeting the customer expectation, that is fulfilling the customer expectation. So in order to establish a new product in the market and to sustain that product for a longer period of time in the market, it is very much essential and very much important to meet the customer expectation, that is to fulfill the customer expectations. And the next one is reducing the defect. So it is the one of the prime objective of the quality control department to identify and to address the defects in the products. So by the help of this addressing and identifying the defects in the products, so it also helps in minimizing the rework, that is process repetition, and it also minimize the wastage of the products. The next one is improving the process. So quality control also aims to continuously improve the process within the organization in order to enhance the efficiency and productivity. So for any organization to increase its productivity, the process improvement is very much important. Building the trust. So by continuously and consistently delivering and producing the high quality products and services, so it will build a trust in the customers. Complying with the regulations means fulfilling the regulatory guidelines. Quality control helps in ensuring the products or service that meet the regulatory requirements and standards set by the government bodies. Welcome to a new video. In this video I am going to present a topic called as quality assurance. So quality assurance is the main branch, or you can say the main department in the pharmaceutical industries, which actively involved in predicting the quality, efficiency and performance of the product. Quality assurance in the pharmaceutical industry is a critical aspect that ensures the safety, efficacy and consistency of the medications and healthcare products. It involves a series of processes and procedures that are put in a place to guarantee that their products meet the required quality standards before they reach to the customers or consumers. Means various analytical tests are in pharmaceutical industry. Quality assurance starts right from the research and development phase, and it continues throughout the manufacturing, packing and distribution process. This includes rigorous testing, inspections, documentations and compliance with the regulatory standards to ensure that their products are safe for use. Quality assurance also plays a vital role in maintaining the reputation of the pharmaceutical companies and building a trust with healthcare professionals and consumers. By upholding high standards of quality, these companies can fulfill their commitment to provide safe and effective products that improve the health and well-being of the individuals. Overall, quality assurance is the most important department, not only to safeguard the health of the consumers, but also it contributes to overall success and sustainability of the industries. implementing rigorous testing protocols, adhering to the regulatory guidelines, and maintaining strict control measures, pharmaceutical companies can provide the highest level of confidence in their products. Means, by doing rigorous testing and by following the strict protocols, pharmaceutical companies can win to build a confidence towards ensuring customer satisfaction by delivering the products that meet or exceed their expectations. Identifying and correcting defects or errors in the production process to prevent issues in the final product. Establishing and maintaining quality standards to consistently produce high quality. Improving process and procedures to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness. Providing confidence to stakeholders, including customers and investors, in the quality of